Hi everyone. I've tried to record this 3 or 4 times now, so I hope it works this time. Last week we got into a pretty interesting discussion about amino acids in your diet and how they affect your body as precursors to neurotransmitters. So, I'm taking a class where we talk a little bit about that, so I said I would make a YouTube video explaining some of the pathways and how they affect your body. So I'm going to talk about tryptophan and tyrosine. In your body, tryptophan is converted into serotonin, and tyrosine can be converted into dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. So I have some pictures explaining how that happens. Okay, this is what tryptophan looks like when you eat it. And inside of your body, it's converted into an intermediate called 5-HT, 5-hydroxytryptophan, because a hydroxy group was added right here. So there's one more step to get this into serotonin, which is when this COOH group decarboxylates, and you get serotonin. And that's what it looks like. So there are some clinical applications of this pathway. They found that by adding more tryptophan to your diet, in conjunction with medical and psychological therapies, you can reduce the symptoms of insomnia, depression, pain, and obesity. So that's pretty cool. Then the tyrosine pathway is a little more complicated. Here's tyrosine. Again, you can add a hydroxy group to make an intermediate, L-DOPA. The hydroxy group is down here. And now this can decarboxylate, and you get dopamine. So this is pretty similar to the pathway we just looked at. And now dopamine can be further reacted in your body to get norepinephrine. See, that blue hydroxy group was added. And norepinephrine can undergo one more reaction, a methylation on the nitrogen, and you get epinephrine. So consuming tyrosine will affect the levels of all of those neurotransmitters. And this can also be used to treat depression and pain, as well as fatigue and apathy. So I thought that was pretty neat. I hope you guys learned something. I will see you next week.